Hey guys, we have here the Sony WH-XB700 headphones, and in this video we want to explain to you how to replace the ear pads on these headphones. Now, as you can see here, the original ear pads are really worn out and it's time to replace them. And you can find really cheap replacements online, and I'm going to put a link to them down below. So how do we remove the original ear pads? And that's really easy. So they are actually just glued onto the ear cup. And when you just put one or two fingers into the inside of the ear pad and then with your thumb hold onto the rest, then we can relatively easily pull off the entire ear pad. And you can see here the original adhesive still here in white. So this is going to stick around. If it's not too much, you can just leave that on there. But if there's a lot of adhesive, then I suggest maybe you try to remove some of it first. And then of course we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side as well. Again, put a couple of fingers into the inside of the ear pad and then pull with your thumb until the original ear pad detaches. And then here we have the replacements. I'm actually using a different color this time here. So I'm going to switching from black to this blue, navy blue. And you can see here on the back side there's this adhesive tape, which is right now covered up, of course. So I'm going to remove this backing paper. And then all we have to do is line up the new ear pad with the ear cup and firmly press it into position. Just give it a little firm press everywhere, once all around. Just want to make sure that once we pressed it on and it's now sticking, we don't want to try to remove it at this point, because now the adhesive tape, so the glue, has to now harden and cure so that it really sticks well and the ear pad doesn't fall off later on. And then we're going to repeat the same process, of course, here for the second side as well. Remove the tape here and then firmly press on the ear pad after we centered it really nicely. And now we're already done, and our headphones actually look just like new again. Okay, so this was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.